In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Mailchimp with our platform for a more streamlined workflow and enhanced communication capabilities. To begin, you'll want to navigate over to the integration section within your account. This is your central hub for connecting various applications and systems, enabling you to enhance productivity without having to switch back and forth between multiple interfaces. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the available applications you can connect with. Each option brings its own benefits, but today our focus is on Mailchimp. Mailchimp, as many of you know, is a widely used email marketing service that allows users to design and send email campaigns easily. By integrating Mailchimp into our system, you'll be able to leverage its powerful email tools without leaving our platform. So once you're in the integration section, scroll through the list and select Mailchimp. On selecting Mailchimp, you'll notice a button or link to connect the accounts. This is a critical step as you'll be authorizing the integration between our platform and your Mailchimp account. Clicking on this option will redirect you to a login or authorization page where you'll need to enter your Mailchimp credentials. Make sure you have these ready and remember to double check that you're entering the correct details to avoid any connection issues. Once you're logged in, you might be prompted to approve or authorize the connection. This is merely a security measure ensuring that any third-party application trying to access your data has the correct permissions. It's similar to allowing apps to use your location or send you notifications on your phone. In this case, by granting access, you're allowing our platform to interact with your Mailchimp account to send and manage campaigns more effectively. After you've granted the necessary permissions, the connection process should only take a moment. You'll know you're successfully integrated when you see a confirmation message. This typically states that the accounts are now linked and ready for use. Congratulations, you've just streamlined your workflow, enabling more efficient marketing communications. In closing, connecting Mailchimp with our platform opens up a host of possibilities. From automated email campaigns to targeted marketing efforts, this integration helps ensure your communication efforts are both efficient and effective. As always, should you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. They're readily available to assist and ensure you have a seamless experience. Thank you for taking the time to learn how to integrate Mailchimp with our platform today. This connection will undoubtedly boost your marketing capabilities and offer greater flexibility in managing your campaigns. We look forward to seeing how you make the most of this powerful integration.